Turn on this 5 WhatsApp useful tricks. Trick number 1. Hide profile picture from specific person. Go to Settings. Then go to Accounts. Go to Privacy. Now click on Profile Photo. Tap on third option. Select contacts with whom you don't want to share your profile picture. Trick number 2. How to see deleted messages. Go to Settings. Search Notification History. Turn it on. Now when someone send you message and delete it later. It will be saved in your notification history. Trick number 3. Disappear messages after few time. Go to the chat. Click on 3 dots. Select disappearing messages. Choose the time for disappearing the message. Trick number 4. 2 WhatsApp in 1 mobile phone. Go to Play Store. Search for WhatsApp Business. Download the APK. Now set up it with another mobile number. Trick number 4. Increase security of your WhatsApp so that no one can misuse it. Go to Settings. Then go to Accounts. Go to 2-steps verification. Set up 2-step verification with PIN and email. Your WhatsApp is now protected.